metal partial offerings when it comes to patients who are a little bit more sensitive. What I mean by sensitive, it can be patients who don't like those clunky, bulky, cast framework partials we've all have known, seen, adjusted, you name it. Patients who maybe don't like the pressure on the tissue or pressure on their teeth. Our new titanium partial frameworks are going to be lighter than your average metal partial offering. And by lighter, not only just in general to hold and feel with your hand, but lighter in the patient's mouth, lighter pressure-wise on the tissue, the teeth, you name it. Given the fact it is a little bit lighter, it'll be a little more adaptive to undercuts when we're considering partial frame design, taking the partial in and out, retention, all those details that go into a good fitting partial. In addition to that, the titanium is going to be more resistant to deformation over time, so partials loosening up, clasp needing readjusted, it's going to stay nice and tight in there like day of insertion. And lastly, the titanium partial becomes a great option for patients who are a little bit more sensitive to metal. For the composition of the titanium, patients often can have a better response to that than different types of metal blends and other kinds of metal partials. If you'd like to find out more, feel free to call into our lab directly to talk to one of our technical support specialists, or if you're ready to send a case in, we look forward to working on your first titanium partial case. And as always, stay tuned on our social media platforms for the latest updates, new products offerings, and videos. Thank you so much for tuning in, and we look forward to offering you your best metal framework partial.